Hi, in this video, I'm going to share how you can use the Images Playground in Azure AI Foundry. I'll start in the Azure AI Foundry portal, which you can get to by going to ai.azure.com. I'll go to Create a New Resource, where I'll create a new Azure AI Foundry resource. This is the new type of resource since Microsoft is moving away from the concept of Azure AI Foundry hubs that house projects, and instead we'll just have an AI Foundry resource that houses your project. I'll select that and I'll create a new project. I'll call it AIS Images Demo. It'll create a new AI Foundry resource. I'll create a new resource group, the same name, but with resource group at the front. I'll do this in East US. I'll create it. My project is done being created. Now we can go to Playgrounds, Images Playground. Within the Images Playground, we need to first create a deployment for a model that will be able to generate images for us. Right now, only dall-e is available, so that's the one we'll use. I'll leave the defaults and deploy. Now I'm in the Images Playground. I'm using my dall-e deployment that I just made, and we can start playing around with the Images Playground. Right away, I can see some sample text prompts I can use. I'll just click this first one, Sci-Fi City Landscape, and we'll see what it comes up with. I can hover over an image to see some of the metadata and even copy the prompt if I wanted to redo it again. There's also 3 dots icons if I wanted to download the image, edit the prompt, make a new one. View the generation information even more. At the bottom is where I generate images, where I can choose a size if I want. I can specify a style, vivid or natural, and if I want, I can specify a style within the prompt itself. I can also choose the quality that I want for that particular image, and if you check out the documentation, I also see that when you go to use your AI model for image generation, there's a couple different options to specify in terms of the response format you get. If you are using the GPT image-1 model, which is something you still have to request access to at the time of recording, there's other options in here that you can also specify when you are using that model. So just some things to keep in mind. Not all the options are available within the image playground at the moment. Let's generate another simple image. Let's copy this prompt. We'll paste it in and we'll change the style to natural, and we'll just change the size and quality as well. I see my second generated image along with its metadata, and when I'm viewing my images that have been generated, there's this section up here where I can view them as a grid, or I could list them in order that I generated them. I can clear all the outputs when I'm done, and I can view the code when I'm ready to integrate this image generation model into an application. And there you have it, the image generation playground. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if this video was valuable to you, please like the video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.